Okay guys, welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom. This is Rocco Di Pietro and today we're going to talk some more about NIO and what's going on with this stock. So as you know, NIO is down for almost 3 months now, and it is strange, crazy, because we have only good news from NIO right this time. We had some small bad news, but let's look at the recent update from Benzinga. And from the title, NIO Stock has optional traders gearing up for higher move. So thousands of traders just like you are using Benzinga options to learn the formula that Nick Cheney uses to earn a full-time living. Okay, NIO. So NIO unveiled its ET7 smart electric vehicle model with its official interior, as well as the company's new Power North plan at the 19 Shanghai International Automobile Industry Exhibition today. So here we can clearly see that NIO is gearing up. The event will run through to April 28, so 8 more days. Option traders were expecting a return of positive sentiment in the stock following the reveal of NIO's new products, and they bet more than 1 million almost. The share price of NIO is going higher. So the NIO trades at the Monday traded executed a call sweep near the ask of 419 NIO options with a $40 strike price expiring on October 15th. The trade represented a 251,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $6 per option contract, which means that they are betting that NIO is going to be higher than $46 so that they can get even on their investment. A trader executed a call sweep near the ask blah 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 at 337 strike price expiring on April 23rd. The trade represented a 134 bullish bet for which the trader paid $1 per option contract. So it means that NIO should be in 3 days should be at least almost $40 to make it even. So why is this important? When a sweep order occurs, it indicates the trader wanted to get into a position quickly and is anticipating an imminent large move in the stock price. A sweeper pays market price for the call option instead of placing a bid, which sweeps the order book of multiple exchanges to fill the order immediately. These types of call options orders are usually made by institutions, and retail investors can find watching for sweepers useful because it indicates smart money has entered into a position. Okay, let's look at the stock and about some technical analysis. So right now at 4 p.m. Eastern Western time, we are down a little bit with NIO stock, but let's look at the stock for 1 year. Here let's look some lines. We have here a support line at around, let's call it $35. So, and here we have actually seen 1, 2, and 3 bounce backs. This is good. This indicates us that this is the price that investors are not willing to sell anymore, and that people and investors are willing to buy into the stock. And here let's look at the here somewhere around here around $40 we have the resistance line. So here is the point where people are actually selling the stock and not buying anymore. So right now NIO is in this candle. Here we have the upside. We have touched it almost 3 times. You can see right here once, twice, and 3 times we have hit this up at almost $63. And here you will probably see we will be moving up, and if we cannot beat this resistance line, we could go pro a little bit. So it is possible that we will move sideways until some bullish sentiment returns to these growth companies, and we should see another big spike up. It, of course, it's not going to be like this, but it's going to be like this, you know. So at the end of the year, we still expect this stock to be somewhere around here. So we still believe at the end of this year, everything is pointing at the price target here of $57. The average price target is 55, which we believe is too modest, because here you can see that we have $55. Top NIO shareholders. Okay, let's look who are the NIO shareholders. So NIO is a China-based electric car. The top institutional shareholders of NIO are Original Wish Ltd, Tencent Holdings, Bellingham, BlackRock, and Vanguard. Because NIO is a foreign company, it doesn't file for individual insider shareholders. Below, we focus on NIO's biggest institutional shareholders. So, as of April 15th, NIO had 1 year trailing net income of minus 113 million and net revenue over the same period of 2.4 billion, which is a lot. The company's market capitalization is $58 billion, which is still small in our opinion. Approximately 544 institutional investors own shares of NIO, with about 14 of those shareholders including NIO Stock as a top 10 holding in their portfolios. This is actually very bullish, very bullish news. Institutional investors own about 30% of all outstanding NIO shares. Investment managers with at least 100 million in assets under management must file 13F form of each quarter. An individual or group that acquire more than 5% of a company shares must file within 10 days. So Original Wish owns about 174 million shares of NIO, representing 14% of share outstanding according to a filing. Original Wish is a company incorporated in British Virgin Islands that wholly owned by William Lee, also known as Lee Bean, the founder and chief executive officer of NIO. Lee is currently ranked 476 of the Forbes billionaires list with a net worth of roughly 5.5 billion. Tencent Holding owns about 164 million shares of NIO stock, representing 12.7% of shares outstanding according to a filing. Tencent is a China-based multifunctional technology holding company whose subsidiaries provide social networking, e-commerce, mobile games, internet services, payment systems, entertainment, and more. The company also maintains a portfolio of equity securities. NIO is one of its top 10 holdings. Bailey Gifford BlackRock. Let's see. BlackRock owns about 68 million shares of NIO, representing about 4.8% of shares outstanding according to a filing on December 31. The company is primarily a mutual fund and ETF management company with approximately 8.7 trillion in assets. BlackRock's iShare Core MC Emerging Markets holds NIO. NIO presents about 0.5% of funds portfolio. So we have actually great news for NIO. We have seen the sedan. Okay, let's look back. So what can we expect today? We believe that probably today we're going to see a little bit more of pain. The next time that the price should skyrocket is April 29th, when we are going to see the first quarter results of NIO, and if we're going to actually bet the bets or the estimate of Wall Street, we are going to see an exponential growth to this stock. NIO at out of Shanghai. What you need to know about the Power North project, ET7 interior, fashion. Okay, so good news. Until next time, we wish you great time, great trading, and stay safe.